Hello everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing, and today I am here to discuss about a very beautiful course and a course very close to my heart where you all get an opportunity to come to Chennai, stay with me, be with me, learn things with me and explore things with me. So yes, I'm talking about my course, the Vika course, so which is happening in Chennai in September. So I have already actually selected 6 students who have decided that they will come. So I was thinking I am looking in for every batch I take at least 13 to 14 students if possible, or else 10 is something which I take. So I thought this time why not bring in an open video and select certain students who are really in the mindset of learning Vika. That's the reason this video has come, or else for the past 3.5 4 years I have not been taking as an open advertisement, and I usually bring in by word of mouth. So now what is Vika? Vika is again nothing negative. Vika is not where you do negative things, where you work on animals, you kill people. No, that is not Vika. Vika works with nature. Vika helps you to work on your inner self and to grow more as a more powerful, stronger healer, stronger spellcaster, stronger tarot reader. So more like I work on my inner self, I work on my inner shadows, my dark shadows. I make myself more stronger. Now you can say, for that why do I need to come all the way to Chennai and learn from you? See, Vika is a process where you need initiation. I am a person who believes very strongly that you need to be in person when you are getting an initiation done, because this is a Guru Sishya Parampara, and for me Guru Sishya Parampara is very important. Before I start about Vika, I want to bring in my journey with Vika, because a lot of people have been trying to understand that how I learned Vika and how is it possible being in India that I learned Vika and everything. So I have actually never told my ma'am's name also in open, but I thought let me just say it. I met my ma'am Jenny through Facebook in the year 2007 or 8. I don't remember the year correctly, and we became good friends, and we were talking, and she used to tell me a lot of things about Vika, that Pinky, in Vika you can work with the energies of the universe, you can you will feel happy when you work with herbs. So I told her, ma'am, I love working with herbs, and I used to do small things with herbs at those days. So then she said, then maybe Vika is your calling. And then she said, what else do you like? So I told her that I am learning candles, and I want to explore more in candles. So she said, you start your journey with me with candles. So that's how my journey started with her. And today people call me as the queen in candle magic workshop. The way I teach, no one teaches. It's just for her, and it's her blessings that I am able to do this. So that's how my journey started with her. And then she said, I had asked her, I'm in India, and she was abroad in Pennsylvania. So I asked her, how do I meet you, how do I come? So she said, not possible. She said, you'll have to come, because I will not do the initiation through online. I completely don't believe in initiations online. So I thought there my dream goes, and I can never ever learn Vika. But I was learning a lot of more things with her. I started my journey with crystals and with the color therapy, and tarot. I had already learned tarot by then, and I was already into pranic healing by then. Reiki was not there in my life at that time. So suddenly one fine day in the month of June, she just said, guess where I am? So I was like, ma'am, where are you? She said, I'm in Bombay. When she said Mumbai, I was so happy. So she said, I'm leaving tomorrow. I had just come for 2 days because there was some emergency for which she had come. So I didn't have money at that time. I still remember, I didn't have money for the flight. So I took a credit from someone, and then I just took the next flight. I went to her. I said, just give me the initiation, and after that I will learn online. So that's how my thing started with her. And I miss her a lot. She's no more now, but if there's not a day where I don't miss her. So she taught me the values of Guru Sishya Parampara. And basically in Vika, you are a part of a coven. Now a coven is a group of members, minimum of 3. It can be 30. Some covens even have 20, 30 members. Again, it depends from people to people. So what does this coven do? They stand for each other. And if you people know, in those days, the guru, all the sishyas used to stay in Gurukul, learning from the guru and working for him, helping him in his work. So it's almost the same. That is when I had decided that whenever I teach Vika, it will only be in Chennai, and it will only be in my place where my children, which is my coven members, will come and stay with me, and at least even if it's for 2 or 3 days, because you cannot learn Vika in just 3 days. Many people ask me, Pinky ji, 3 days, is it enough? No. 3 days is basically for you to get initiated under me, for you to do the Guru Sishya Parampara with me, and then after you go back, you will be given regular guidance by my maiden priestesses as to what, how you should do, where you should do. And let me tell you one thing, Vika is not you get a manual, you learn 2-3 things, you go back and you're a witch or you're a Wiccan. No. Vika will help you in becoming a Wiccan, a powerful Wiccan or a powerful witch, or however you call it as, only with practice and research. So after 3 days, once you go back, you will do a lot of research. So if you guys think, okay, we pay whatever she says and we learn and we go back, then I'm sorry, this is not the course for you. You cannot expect yourself to become overnight powerful Wiccans or witches. You need to work with me. You need to work with me in the sense you don't have to stay with me. You will have to do the research, whatever I'm saying. You will have to work on whatever shadow paths which I am talking about. You will have to bring out the best in you, which I will be there to guide you, and the maiden priestess will be there. Now you must be wondering, who is the maiden priestess? Maiden priestess is a person. Now I am the high priestess. I am the person who will give you the initiation. Now in case I am not there, she is the one who is an acting high priestess. She will be there for you. He or she will be there for you to help you explore this journey. We will be working with herbs, with oils. Yes, there are certain Wiccan oils which you will be learning to make with me. Certain spells you'll be learning, but you will not become an expert after 3 days. You will have to work with me for 1 year, and after 1 year you can explore yourself to the next level. Now many people say people teach just in 1 level. Why are you telling for 3 levels? I don't believe in just rushing things and just taking things forward in that way. That is not me. So first you work with me, you do research for me, you do research for yourself, you clear your inner shadows, you explore yourself, you grow more, and then you come for level 2. Now when you come for level 2, if I feel yes, you are ready for it, then sometimes I combine the level 2 and level 3 together. Varna, you learn the level 2 and then you come back for level 3. Now, I think one student had asked me, ma'am, I am a male member, can I be a witch? See, in a coven, if there is a high priestess, there is a high priest. If there is a witch, there is a wizard. So, irrespective of gender, anyone who has flair for nature, who believes in magic, who believes in dedication, who believes in yes, I was meant for this. Vika is meant. Vika is a calling. Vika is not anyone and everyone can just join. It's more like a calling. My last time when I had selected members, I had asked them to go through certain entrance procedures. They were asked to write certain things. They were interacting with me for a long time. In fact, I still remember there is one student who is still not able to make it to me, in spite of the fact that she has been following me for the past 2.5-3 years. Wherein last year, one of the students who has been following me for 5 years at last got the chance to get into Vika. So Vika is a calling. If Vika is meant for you, it will see to it that you somehow learn it. You should have a flair for magic. More than anything else, you should have dedication towards your guru. You cannot just say, okay, I have come, I have learned, and I'm going to go and earn money. No, it is not about that. It is more your flair to learn, your flair to become a very strong magician or a strong Wiccan, your dedication. And one more thing I want to say here, don't ever think, okay, if I come and learn Vika, I can do bad things, I can do negative things. No, Vika believes in law of karma. Whatever you do comes back to you 3 times. We believe in the threefold of law. So one thing I want to say here is, don't expect to learn negativity or harming people or spoiling others' lives by coming here and learning. No, we teach to first clear ourselves. We learn first to work on our dark shadows. We learn first on how to become better healers, better magicians, better spellcasters, and then we heal the world. And for this, again and again. You might be wondering how many times she's repeating that, 1 year of dedication is needed, because when you keep working with me, you will know how it is. And as you work with me, you will feel as if from where you were to where you have grown, there is a vast difference in your growth. There is a vast difference in your improvement as an individual. Now, when you come here for the initiation, you will be given a secretive name. What is the use of the secretive name? No one can harm you after that, because this name will only be known to your guru, which is me, and to you, and not to any other members. So what happens is you are shielded, you are guarded for life. What else you will be doing other than initiation? You, as I said, you will be learning what are all the sabbats, the Wiccan religions, the Espats. Now, every full moon has a speciality in Wicca. So what are those full moons? What you can work on that? What are the sabbats? What are the religions which are followed in Wicca? Now, if you think I'm a Hindu, I'm an ardent follower of Lord Shiva, can I become a Wiccan? Yes, you can become. Wicca never says to let go of your religion and follow their religion. No. Wicca says believe in yourself and work towards yourself, and then you can become the best. So I don't know if I've missed out on any points or anything, but if you want to be a part of it, it's happening in September 2021 in Chennai for 3 days, and followed by which I am bringing in a basic and advanced hoodoo and tarot class in Chennai. So if you want to be a part of it, you will have to WhatsApp to me, to my direct number, which will be coming in this video, where I will tell you what is the selection process and how you need to go through it. But believe me, don't waste my time and don't waste your time. If you are just coming for the sake of learning and earning money, please don't do it. If you're serious, you want to become the world's best Wiccan, world's best spellcaster, world's best healer, whatever you call it yourself, as the best witch, and then this is the course for you. When you come to me with the promise of dedication and faith in your guru, that you will stick on with her in good and bad, and you will grow and explore yourself, and you will become the best Wiccan, and you will be the best coven member of my coven. So blessed be to all of you all, and looking forward to it. Before I complete, one more thing I want to say. As I said, already 7 people are selected. I might select max 7 more. So when you see the video, if you feel it's your calling, then get in touch with me ASAP, because once the next 7 are selected, I shall close the registrations, and after that I will be only taking for the year 2022. Thank you everyone, and I hope we grow in this journey together, and you people become the best coven members of my coven. Thank you.